What's up YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2014 Ford Escape. So you're going to want to come over here to the passenger side, and underneath the glove box you're going to see this little felt piece. There is a clip. They have locking tabs. You just squeeze those and pull right down. There is one there and there is one here. Squeeze, pull that down. Is there a third? No, there's not a third. So you just pull this one on down carefully out of the way. Yeah, get that on out of the way. And the cabin filter is right here in this cover. Some of them come with screws in there, which is usually T25. You can see I got my T25 Torx bit screwdriver here. Some don't. So you just pinch this in, and this comes right on out of there. And that's the cabin filter right in here. You always want to pay attention to how this comes out, so you can put the new one back in the same way. So that came out of there that way. So we're going to want to install that same way. Now, that's how they look. Well, need and replacement. So you just take this. I always like to get that corner in there. Once I get that corner in there, I press. Oh, that flipped around on me. Don't want it to do that. Get that top in there. And then once you get the top in there, slide right on into place. Just like that. Then you take the cover. You're gonna wanna see those little 3 prongs right there. You just slide this end up first. And you'll hear it clip into place. And that's it for that. Then you just take your little felt piece, and that's gonna slide like that. You get it on there, and you get it on there, and you take your little push tabs, and all you gotta do, push that up. Same on the other one. Push that up. And there you go. And that's how you install a cabin filter on a 2014 Ford Escape. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thank you.